Dustacco Engineering was originally a dust control and ventilation business. That's really where the name came from. And in the early 70s, my father started to manufacture a product which he called Watermeiser cooling towers. Industrial water cooling towers, essentially for removing heat from hot processed water. And I think it was around about 1973 he decided to incorporate Watermeiser Limited as a separate company. So hence there was Dustacco Engineering, which was the original business, and then a spin-off company, Watermeiser Limited. And really over the years, Dustacco's product base or market has changed somewhat. So where dust control and ventilation was important back in those days. So now a large portion of our business is actually really serving Scottish Water, but also some local manufacturing companies, pharmaceutical businesses and some industrial gas work as well. We have a fabrication workshop here, but the majority of the work happens out on site across Scotland and in some areas of England as well. Watermeiser has continued to manufacture water cooling towers here. The manufacturing process, I suppose, has been honed over the years in terms of how we do things and how we've improved things over the years as well. Essentially, the tower is designed and manufactured here, and then we go off to install it at the client premises. So this could be anywhere across the UK again, sometimes a wee bit further afield, and really it's serving any industry where there is hot processed water. Do quite a bit in distilleries, food and drink in general, and a lot of large manufacturing businesses as well. I would say the majority of staff certainly come from the East Ayrshire area, and we're very lucky to have a very low turnover of staff. We do like to think that we put people at the heart of the business, and people are very important to us. We like to think that shows in the fact that the staff do tend to stay here and make a career for themselves if they can. Well, in terms of our longer term objectives, growing is something that we do want to do, but we want to do it in a sustainable and safe way. Growing too quickly is never a good move. We want to make sure that jobs are always safe. Dustacco have a number of opportunities for development through different market areas. Dustacco is in the lucky position where we have an involvement in quite a number of different sectors. So depending on where these markets go, Dustacco hopefully will be a part of that. Watermeiser have got plans to grow, and that may mean developing the site a wee bit in order to increase capacity. Watermeiser also wishes to increase the amount of service work that we do. Obviously we manufacture and supply towers, but we also offer refurbishment and service work as well. So that's potentially an area that we can develop and possibly increase the number of staff to support that too.